Moving further, the top court has clarified its interim stay order from 21st April this year in the copyright dispute between Phonographic Performance Limited, that is PPL, and Azure Hospitality, that it applies only to the parties involved in the case and not to third parties. Let me give you a brief background here. The original dispute began when PPL filed a copyright infringement suit against Azure Hospitality, which runs restaurant chains like Mama Goto and Dhaba, for allegedly playing PPL's music without a proper license. On 3rd March this year, a single judge of the Delhi High Court passed an interim injunction restraining Azure from using PPL's songs, noting that a prima facie case of infringement had been made out. Azure appealed this decision and the division bench modified the order by allowing Azure to continue playing the music but directed it to pay license fees as per the tariff of Recorded Music Performance Limited or RMPL, even though PPL is not a member of RMPL. PPL challenged this modified direction before the Supreme Court, which on 21st April this year stayed the order requiring Azure to pay according to RMPL's tariff. However, the top court did not reinstate the complete ban on playing the music. Following this stay, PPL noticed that several third parties had started relying on the Supreme Court's stay to avoid paying license fees for using PPL's sound recordings, which prompted it to seek the clarification. A bench of Justice Ujjal Bhuiyan and Justice Manmohan of the Supreme Court heard the interlocutory application and clarified that the 21st April order is binding only on the parties to the case, namely PPL and Azure Hospitality, and cannot be interpreted as applying to other entities. With this, the court made it clear that third parties cannot use the stay order as an excuse to avoid paying for copyrighted music.